Hello, another AQA A-level mechanics question for you to try. If you want to do a different one, click on the information card up here. But if you want to try this one, I suggest you pause the video now. If you got the answer C, well done. Here's my explanation. So a uniform picture is suspended from a string which passes over a smooth nail. It's telling you it's a smooth nail so that the tension in both sides of the string is the same. The tension can even out by passing easily over that smooth nail. The tension in the string is T and the weight on the picture is 20 newtons. So this is in equilibrium, it's not accelerating upwards or downwards or rotating around, so we should be able to create a triangle of forces. So I'll just call that, I know both these tensions are the same, but I'll call it T1 and T2 just so you can see how I'm drawing my triangle of forces. So let's go over here and I can draw my T1, I can put my T2 on the end of T1, and then because it's an equilibrium I have to be able to draw a triangle of forces where my third force will end up back at the beginning of the first force. Okay, so let's put a couple of other things in here. We know that angle there is 30 degrees, so I could make these into two right angle triangles where that 2 is 30 degrees and that distance here is half of 20, my 20 newtons there, half of my 20 newtons is 10 newtons. And I want to find this tension. So I'm going to use a bit of SOHCAHTOA and you'll find that T2 is equal to 10 over sine 30. If I put those numbers into my calculator, I get an answer of 20 newtons. Answer C. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit that subscribe button for me please. Share with your friends, watch more in the series. Thank you very much for watching.